Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are back with another cool video, and this is a Hot Wheels V3 T3 Custom. And guys, I'm a big fan of Volkswagen. This vans and all, right? T1 we have, T2 we have, T3 also we have in Majorette, right? And this is the one in Volkswagen T3 Custom, and very beautiful, right? As you can see on the card itself, whatever they have mentioned in the card, on the card, right? The details, the graphics, we expect that to be on the car. So let's see if we have all these things like BBS, Bliston, and this smiley over here, right? Let's see. Let me zoom in. Yeah, it is there. I'm not going to unbox it. I don't feel like. I think this in the card itself, we can see all the angles and all. Yes, we can see the dead smile emoji over there, Volkswagen logo. All these are printed actually, but the detailing is very nice, right? All the stickers and then caution over here, very small minor details are mentioned over here. That's what feels good on this T3, right? You can see the T3 logo here, this hollow space from the back, right? See this aerodynamics over here. In the back there is a diffuser, V3 Volkswagen T3 custom, made in Malaysia. Base is plastic. I think the whole car is plastic. Wheels are of golden, very good looking. Just want to preserve this. If I got another one, I'll make sure I will unbox it. But for this time, I'm just keeping it like this. Carded condition only. You can see 79 written on the side. There are a lot of graphic details on the livery, right? I'm just appreciating appreciating those. It's a two-seater. I think you can see some seats over there, and very nice. That's all for this Volkswagen T3, guys. We will meet in next video. Until then, stay subscribed, keep sharing, keep liking. Bye bye.